Hi, it's Rori Montali, and desire of intimacy is the pathway that you either know what you want or you have no idea what that looks like to be in a state of desire. Well, today we will be teaching you an opportunity to see if you have any energy of what you really want, or do we need to cultivate an energy for you to get there so you can manifest what that desire is. It is a field of energy that you have to have that vibration at a very high level. There's sometimes so many fears and doubts of the possibility of it being so big and vast that we play it small so that way we don't get disappointed. And when that happens, what happens is there's not enough energy to literally push through to manifestation for it to actually show up. So we're going to remove all the limiting beliefs right now around something and clear something so that way you will be able to step in to a place of knowing, all knowing. So in the place of an all knowing, here is what it looks like. You're not afraid to play big. You're not afraid to actually deserve this desire. You're worthy of it and you are complete. If you're not like fully on and there's a moment where you feel like that there's doubt, you have to go back in and ask the question, what is it in me that's not allowing this to manifest? What is it in me that's not allowing to feel that I can actually not have doubt and fear in that area? And then ask the right questions, clear that up, and just be in like desire. Now think about everything and everything you ever wanted and know that it's happening. That's the difference. Knowing, all knowing. So we're going to learn more exercises by clicking on, going deeper within ourselves to find everything we desire and want to it to show up, and then not be in shock. Okay. Not be like, oh my God, it's happening for me. We want it to happen for you. So we're going to get it for you by being truthful. Yes, say truthful. Grab it right here. I'm truthful. I'm going to be honorable. I'm going to listen to my doubts and fears, and I'm going to bring it to the fullest form of what I'm deserving of and have freedom there. And when you already know your desires, we are going to just know the exercise of that it is happening, and it's visualization. And you can taste it, feel it, know it's happening at any moment, and it's happening to you right now. That's the gift of these two lessons of intimacy, is not knowing the energy fields of it, not being at the highest frequency, and how to raise that back up so you can get what you want. That's it. Simple. Great. I am excited to see and hear from all of you on what you created in desire. And then play it out and enjoy it and explore it and not feel shamed about it, and just feel like you are all in the frequency, energy, and vibration of what it is to be alive and feeling you again. And that's the feeling of desire. It's like not in the future, not in the past. Desires like I am desiring this to show up, and it could be in any moment. It could just be there for me because I believe and know that I am worthy of all of it to show up now. And that's it. I love it. So I'm going to stick with the exercises on how to create what it's like to fully desire and for it to show up without any boundaries, without any doubts.